In this second class, we're going to learn very easy step with a lot of movement and a footwork that I use a lot, toe heel. Let's start, guys. So we're going first to do two basic steps forward. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. We go forward, 5, 6, 7. Now we go back, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, keeping the same alternance of feet. Left, and right, left, and left back, and right back, 7, 8. Now we're gonna face our bodies a little bit to the diagonal. So in the first, diagonal right, diagonal left. I stay here, walking back, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and what I want for now, we're going to do this, the same, but staying on the spot. So body is facing diagonal. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the same as before. In the previous class, we were here on the spot, the same, but when we're going to move to the other place, we just stop and change the direction. So we do 1, 2, 3, tap, diagonal, 5, 6, 7, tap. I stay here one more, 1, 2, 3, and when I tap, I put my weight here, so I come back. Yes, and now I'm here to 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 5, 6, move the hips in 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now we can decorate it a little bit. So we move the hips however you want. You can do circles, you can do 8, 1, 2, 3, up. For example, 5, 6, 7, and stay here, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the next step, I'm here, I'm going to do punta talón. Punta talón. I do punta to the side and heel, change the weight and tap. Now right and then heel, change and tap. Okay, but this is not the same doing 1, 2 like this, then 1, 2. That gives a different flavor. So put a little bit of your weight there. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Even if you're just marking, you're not transferring the weight complete with the hip, just like this is more sharp. 1, 2, and now put the heel in the diagonal as we said before. So we move the hip a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from the top. 5, 6. Here we go. And forward. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Come back. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, heel, change, and 5, heel, change, e, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try with music. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1. Here we go, 6, 7, 1, 5, 1, punta talón, y toe heel, one more time, toe heel. You can decorate a little bit also with the head, left, right, left, basic. Here we go, feel this step, and inside you, and 5, 6, stay, 1, enjoy, and 5, 6, 7, left heel, right heel, one more, basic. I do in mirror, left and right, left, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, stay, 1, punta talón with the left toe here, 1, 2, continue, you can move the shoulders or head, basic, and yeah. Okay, now let's move on. Now we're going to try to do the same before we did side, we're going to do the same step back, okay? So I open on 1, place, place, tap, and 5, place, place, tap. Yes, transferring the weight properly and moving the hips side to side. So hip, 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 and hip, 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 and. One more time, I can open my body a little bit. Yes, no, don't stay just like this. A little diagonal, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, we can move the shoulders a little bit. So left, 2, 3, and right as we did before. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, for the second one, we're going to do a decoration, variation. The same step back, but we're going to slide it. So I'm here and slide. This is 1, 2. So 1, 2, I'm going to slide. 1, 2, 3, change the weight, then tap. And 5, 6, slide, change the weight, and tap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Yes, we go a little bit also with the heads. So left and right. Yeah, also to give it extra flavor, we can put the knee inside, preparation, and then the hip open to the side. Yes, when I slide, I also think that I have a chewing gum on the feet. Yeah, and it's difficult to remove. Yeah, like this we don't do just. Yes, I need to push the floor. 1 with the hip and put it out. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Or if you want to give different flavor, just slide and slide. But I prefer moving the hips, hips, hips. I always take profit of moving the hips. So now, one step back. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7 together. Put the knee in so we can prepare. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And now we add the shoulders. I'm here. Preparation and down. And down. 7, 8. Yes, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Enjoy this step. 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6. Punta talón. Toe, heel. 2, 3. Step back. 6, 7. And 1, 2. Move the hips and shoulders. 6, 7. And slide. And slide. 7, 8, and 1. Let's try with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Go forward. And 1. 5. 1. Punta talón. Toe heel. Toe heel. Toe back. 1. 5. And slide. And slide. 1. Let's go. 1. Toe heel, toe heel, toe heel. Back, back. And slide, slide. 1. 5. I doing mirror. 1. 5. 1. Let's go. Left. Left. Right. Left. Punta talón to the left. Left. Right. And back. And slide. And. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So that was it for now. I hope that you learned a lot and practice no matter how many times you need to practice until you feel comfortable, and then we go for the next level.